Tonight, doctors are describing overwhelming ICUs as a scene out of a horror movie. Staff is strained, beds are full. The situation is so bad the governor is sending in the National Guard to help. And the data tells the same story. Tonight, Georgia reporting the highest number of new cases in a single day since early January. The state says more than 7,400 people tested positive for the virus in just the last 24 hours. CBS 46's Sierra Cummings joining us now with firsthand perspective and a look inside Piedmont Hospital.
Unvaccinated patients make up the most hospitalizations. There's been nonstop intubations and ventilations like this. Respiratory therapists, the people handling it all, they're issuing an urgent plea.
What we're experiencing seems to be something like a Tom Clancy novel about a bioterror attack on a city because of the overwhelming mass of patients that are coming through the doors.
Piedmont Hospital, Henry County, sent us these pictures inside crowded COVID wards where workers like Steve Wasson intubate patients, often on their last days alive, often unvaccinated.
And what I'm seeing is vast numbers of people who regret those decisions, who are in the process of knowing that their life is in danger and that they may die and never get to see their families again.
Ordinarily, when there's a death of a patient on a ventilator, they'd wait for family to grieve. But now, because the hospital is so overwhelmed, Waston immediately removes one machine from a dying patient to another to try to save the next person in line.
We're having to go into the room and say, let me make some room for you. We don't present it in the terms that there's another patient down the hall that's going to be waiting for this machine real soon. But we're having to do that.
Piedmont Henry is not alone in its strained staff. Governor Brian Kemp deployed National Guard help here and across 9 other hospitals. But this one sits in a county that's under a state of emergency as the Delta variant surges and only 36% of its residents are fully vaccinated. It has local doctors urging more vaccinations. Wasson saying he's not sure how much more hospitals can take despite the commitment of his team.
And no one's coming in and saying, well, that's not my job. I haven't heard that. I've heard, what can I do to help?
Sierra Cummings, CBS 46 News.